What are we doing today then, Travis?
Baking!
Baking! Show us the picture on the front, Travis. No, the other side. Rainbow chip party cake mix. Wow. And what do we need to do this? So we need a bowl.
Yeah.
We need 3 eggs.
Okay, sugar.
Vegetable oil.
What first?
Cake mix.
What first?
And
John?
hold on a minute. And the tins. So what do we need first? Should we have a look on the instructions?
Yeah.
Daddy,
I can't wait. Mom.
So preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Grease tins and preferably line base with part. No.
Margot, shall
Right,
we do
okay, let's do that.
Daddy!
Preheat the oven.
I couldn't see you.
Margot?
You got nothing from there. And you got nothing. But
Okay.
nothing. In February.
Oven is preheating.
How's a happy dough?
Okay, and then we
Need some.
beat the eggs, water, oil and cake mix together.
What? That's weird.
Okay.
That's
Right.
weird.
We'll come back in a minute. Two eggs.
Will you please get down?
And we've got...
Oh no! Okay. Don't eat it.
3 eggs.
Oh, it's gooey. Oh, it's on me.
It's in my breakfast, please. Milk.
Milk, yeah.
Milk. Right, how we pour it in then?
Margaret, do it.
Ooh.
Travis, do it. Travis, do it.
Travis is going to have to mix it, isn't he? So let's see. So is that everything? Eggs. So we've got the milk. What's it? Oh, oil. 90. Oh, we need vegetable oil. 90 milliliters. With 6
Okay.
tablespoons.
Tablespoons? That's already filled.
No, I'll do this bit because it gets a bit all sticky, doesn't it?
Hey, cheese. Cheese.
Right, 6. Can you count?
Honey.
Don't touch it. Can you count to 6?
1.
Hang on.
Okay, 2 of
So
mine.
that's
Oh, 1.
1,
2. 2.
2,
3.
3,
4.
4,
5.
5,
6. Okay, so 7.
Okay, good. That can go in the wash.
That's
Do that.
what we need to do now,
And
John.
then we need to mix it together, don't we? Where's the mixer? Why is it down there? You had one job, little chef. What are you doing? Stop eating my breakfast. Can you give me that?
It's so sunny. Margaret, is it gooey? Maybe.
Right, we'll use a fork. Ready?
Yeah. You mix.
Hold on, let me get it started so it doesn't go everywhere. Then
You can
do it.
mix it, Margot.
Wait a minute.
Can I do it,
You
please?
can both have a go. You can both have a go. No, wait, let me just get it so it's not going to fly everywhere.
I'm doing it. Oh my God, I can't see.
Margaret, just get over there, please. I'll bring it to you. Getting out of hand. No, can you wait?
You're taking so long, Daddy. Mommy and Grumpy are saying all the cake is so long. Making cakes. That means wait.
Okay. Right. Margot, go first while Travis films it, and then Travis goes after.
Okay.
What do you think about that, Travis? Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks like cupcakey.
Ooh.
But you need some milk.
We've put the milk in. Everything's in there and ready.
Is the lunch gone?
The what?
The lunch gone?
Yeah.
Are the eggs gone?
Yeah.
And then more eggs, and then...
Okay, well done, Margot. Next, Travis's turn. Do you want me
Okay.
to film you doing it?
Yeah.
Right, move it closer to you then, dude.
Okay. So all my supplies.
Okay. What excellent technique, Travis.
You check milk. Sprinklers.
Pepper.
There's a fork. Margot. Over his film, Margot.
Wow. Whoa.
It's so slimy.
Oh, it's so slimy.
I didn't know it was.
Travis, can I have a go?
You already had your go because
Well, we need to keep having goes, don't we?
I'm going to stop the engine.
So, Travis, are we making one big cake or are we making cupcakes?
Cupcakes.
Oh, it's raining.
You want Sorry.
Honey. See, honey.
Cupcakes, okay.
Honey.
Right, then we'll finish mixing this and then we'll come back to when we're
We'll
making the
go.
cupcakes.
I'll have a go.
Do we need to film all of it or can I just like turn it off for a minute and we'll film again? Right, okay.
Okay.
We're not going to come back. Right, I'll mix it properly then.
Okay. That's faster, Geordie. What's in there? Egg.
Don't eat the... No! Can you get off the side?
Margot, sit here.
Good girl.
Ah! Oh no. Margot, sit not.
Right, do you want to go back on your seat? Right, I'll help you.
So if I This is our cheesy day.
Daddy, can you have my blanket?
In a minute.
Geordie, come on, do it now. Geordie, do it. Can you get the thing?
Can I have a go?
No, we're almost done now.
If it's
Okay, good, good. So now, I think we've got some cupcake cases. And then we've got a cupcake tray.
Oh yes, we got it, Margot.
So what colour? So we'll do 3 yellow ones for Travis, because they're his favourite. Is that right, Travis?
Yeah.
And then you want red ones, do you, Margot?
Yes, I do.
And we'll do 3 red ones. Can you just stop touching everything?
That one.
It's meant to be fun.
Yeah.
Right, put it in then.
I'll help.
Travis, do one. Okay. In. Good.
So we need to put.
So now we need to put the mixture
I want to
in
do
there.
it.
Right. This is.
Milk.
Oh, God. No, hold on. Let me get a spoon.
I'll
Right, so Travis will do the yellow ones and Margaret will do the red ones. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Travis is up first.
George,
Yeah.
can you help?
Travis is first.
It's all right. It's okay.
Travis is first. He is.
Right. Travis, do you want to hold that while you do it?
Travis is first.
So you need to do the yellow ones. A little bit in there. I mean, a little bit more than that, probably.
Oh, that's too big.
No, no, you need more. Okay. You do what you think, and then I'll add the bits that we need to add after.
Okay.
All right. Do you want to go on to the next one?
No.
I do want to go on the next one.
That's good, Travis.
That looks a bit goody.
That's great. Yes.
I'm going to go to the next one. I am.
Okay. Good
My
boy.
turn.
Well done, dude.
Your
That's
turn.
excellent. Good sharing. Margot, you'll go.
You're the red one.
Right. Just go steady with this. That's it. Good girl. Well done.
Oh, it's raining.
Okay, Margot. What do you do? Are we doing some baking? That's enough.
On to the next one then, Margot.
That one.
Oh, it's raining today.
Just do it. Just do it nicely. That's
Over
it. Good
that
girl.
one, that one over there.
Yeah.
And try up the top bit.
And then do the last one then, Margot. Can you not flap it round everywhere?
It's okay. I'm going to put it in the microwave.
I don't think the microwave would do it, dude. Right, there we go. Well done. Don't lick this spoon.
Let's put it
Mummy.
Right, I need to put some more in just to make sure it's,
Not in mine.
yeah, in all of them.
Okay, Margot, look at this. It's an amazing track. I made a jump. Can I have a taste?
Yeah.
Oh, is it yummy? Do you want to go, Margot? So Mummy can see. Lick it. Smell it. Oh, yummy.
Oh, yummy.
There's some on my nose. Put some on your nose. They're not on your hair. Oh,
Daddy, I'm wearing up to nose reindeer.
You're something, all right.
I'll eat them. Let's just leave it a go, Margot. So wherever we go. Okay, it's time to put it in the microwave. Is it, George?
In the oven. Put them in the oven, dude.
I love it so much.
Okay, Margot. So Mummy can see.
Right. Okay. Put this in.
It's time to put it in the microwave. Don't hold them.
In the oven.
Yep.
Pop. Ow!
Oh.
Hot.
Be careful.
Okay, then we shut the door.
Thank you for watching.